Guys, here is another interesting video from BrainTech on how to exit or remove no command on your phone while trying to hard reset any phone, especially the Infinix mobile device. So here is Infinix Note 12i. So how to remove no command on this phone is to press and hold the power key and then tap the volume up key once. Press and hold the power key, then tap the volume up key to remove no command on your phone, especially the Infinix mobile phones. Do this or try this on other Android phones and you'll see that it will also remove no command on your phone while trying to hard reset your device. Do well to subscribe to this channel, BrainTech. Like and share this video, comment wherever you might encounter problem. Don't forget to join the membership of this channel. Send your support to this channel by using the below options. See you in our next video.